Hello and welcome in CAD in 360 tutorial video. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise number 51. This is our exercise 51 and we are going to complete this exercise in Fusion 360. Okay, so first of all we will create this portion, then we will extrude it up to 100, then we will make this profile semicircular profile and then subtract these holes from these. Okay, so simply create sketch tool, then select the plane. Now create this profile, red profile, which is 60 in length. So this is 60 and it is 30 in height. So this one is 30 at 90 degree. Now this one, this portion is 15. Now its depth, this depth is 15. So 15 downward. Next thing is distance between these two surfaces are 30. Okay. Next one is its height. It is similar to this one, that is 15, and then close it. Okay. This is 60 and this is, make it at the center. Okay, now exit from finish sketch to sketching tool, then extrude it, use symmetric whole length and the distance is 100. Okay, now the next thing is we have to create this profile. Okay, so we will look in this front view and then we will select this plane for sketching, and then we will create a dia 50 semicircle on the upper edges of this profile. So circle dia 50 and the distance of this circle, semicircle center from this edge is 25. So select this point, select this one and then specify the distance 25. Next thing is we want only semicircle. Okay, so simply trim this one and then create a circle of dia 25. Okay, then finish, home, extrude tool and then extrude up to, so this one is 15, so the value will be minus 15 and operation will be join. Okay, make the sketch visual. We don't want this first sketch visual here, but we want this sketch, so we activated this one, then select extrude tool, select these circles and then drag it completely from this profile, and then operation automatically it is selected, cut operation, and then click on OK. So we have created this profile here. Okay, similarly to create this profile on another side, we have to select sketch tool, then select the surface, again repeat same process. So here also it is dia 50 and its distance, center distance from the edge is 25. So 50 dia circle, distance from the edge is 25. Okay, similarly create another hole, this hole, and its dimension is specified here, dia 25 2x, means this 25 hole dia is 2 times, one is here, another is here, so 25. Okay, this symbol shows concentric circle. Okay, now what we have to do is trim this and then finish sketch. Now select the extrude tool, select this one, drag it up to 15. Okay, operation will be join. Next, make it visible and then again select these and drag it completely outside this profile and cut it from main body. So here we have our 3D profile. You can do it by another method. It is up to the user. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.